Every GRT bus is equipped with a bike rack so you can combine cycling and transit. Here's how to use the bike rack. Stand next to the stop marker with your bike. Wait for the bus to stop completely before moving to the front of the bus. The operator can't help you load your bike, but you can ask them to lower the bus to make it easier to lift your bike into the bike rack. Squeeze the handle to release the bike rack and slowly lower it down. Position your bike so the front wheel is on the same side as the support arm. Lift your bike and place the front and back wheels into the slots. Pull out the support arm and hook it over the front wheel close to the bike frame. Place your bike into the slot closest to the bus, unless there is another bike in the rack already. When you reach your stop, exit from the front doors of the bus and let the operator know you are retrieving your bike. Pull out the support arm and lower it from the front wheel, then lift your bike out of the bike rack. If there are no other bikes left in the rack, squeeze the handle and lift the bike rack back into the upright position. For more information about our bike policies and what bikes can and can't be brought on transit, visit grt.ca/bikes.